What opportunities do these new edge services give partners that they didn't have before?
Because we're able to process the data where the data is created, we cut out on issues like latency while the data goes off to some center to be processed and brought back. You resolve issues around data residency because you no longer have to worry about that because the data is being processed there. Our technology allows the system to work even when it's disconnected. So when the signal isn't good, you can still continue to carry out operations. Especially in a post-COVID world where it's so important that you maintain operations, our clients are looking for answers to those types of questions, and partners can help them get there.
And to dig a little deeper, why is Edge so important for the channel?
I think it's really important for the channel because it touches every single part of our channel partners, whether you're a distributor or a reseller, whether you only deal with hardware or software, whether you're an independent software vendor, a regional systems integrator, a global systems integrator, or indeed one of the telcos. The opportunity is there. And we have provided a platform that makes it really easy for you to take advantage of that opportunity as well.
And what should partners be doing to capitalize on that?
I think partners should be talking to their customers about the problems that they have, many of which can be resolved using edge computing, and then working with us and working with other ecosystem partners to build use cases to help them tackle that opportunity.
Where the data generation is happening right now, and the vast majority of new data generation is happening at the edge. And we need to process that in order to be able to capitalize on the business value that it has.
So how are you partnering with IBM to provide customers with new edge computing solutions?
Well, when you talk about edge computing, you're talking about eliminating latency. And there's two kinds. There's a latency caused by network traffic, and that would be from the edge back to a data center and back. By moving edge compute resources to where the data is actually being generated, you eliminate the network latency. But there's also latency in the compute infrastructure, and that's the problem that Hazelcast solves. So, we like to say the money is in the microseconds when we're talking about edge computing. And so what IBM is enabling for Hazelcast is the ability to ride on that infrastructure, on that very elegant design for the edge solution, and be able to place Hazelcast our software on the infrastructure wherever it needs to be in order to be able to attack latency at the point at which it's needed.
So when it comes to data processing, what challenges are you faced with, and how is IBM helping you solve that problem for customers?
Well, one of the unique things about edge computing is that the data being generated there sometimes has ephemeral value. You need to capitalize on it in the moment it happens, or else you miss your opportunity. And what IBM is providing us, Hazelcast, with is the ability to get onto the infrastructure that's at the edge so that we can solve those problems for customers and deliver the business value that they're really looking to get out of edge computing.